Universe says it's time to focus more on your communications and connections around you to avoid any missteps or minor issues. So be sure to keep your schedule and watch for hypersensitivity, touchiness, negative thoughts, and unnecessary criticism. This will help you to identify faults. Confidence is critical to move forward well, but make sure you tame any feeling of rebellion right now, as we need to manage our emotion. Now is the time to approach love, relationships, money, or the pursuit of pleasure in a more mature, responsible, and calm way. Type yes if you agree.